Approximately every 2,150 years, a new age occurs. Around 2012, we began what is known as the Age of Aquarius. Previous age before that was known as the Age of Pisces. A full age is roughly about 116 generations in time. Keeping that in mind, we're just entering the very beginning of the Age of Aquarius. There's still many generations to come who will also experience and live the Age of Aquarius. You and I are currently at the very beginning of this new age. We are slowly moving out of what is known as the 3D consciousness and moving into a higher vibrational realm known as 5D consciousness. During the previous age, known as the Age of Pisces, we were very much stuck in the 3D mode, where our main focus was attached to the material world. The previous age was a very self-centered energy. In this new age, the Age of Aquarius, we are moving into the 5D unity consciousness. We are ascending together as a collective. We are pivoting from the self-centered mindset into a collective mindful consciousness. The people who are on this earth right now are the generation who gets to experience this transition. This major shift of consciousness can feel very intense and overwhelming at times. Getting pulled from 3D to 5D is a huge upgrade, and it's easier said than done. We are literally rewiring our brains and connecting to a higher vibrational force. You and I are what is known as the ushering generation of the Age of Aquarius. We must remember to be patient and extremely gentle with ourselves during these times. We are lucky to be living in such a pivotal moment in time. Aquarius is a fixed air sign, and it brings huge momentum into a very expansive energy. The things that are being built during this age are things that benefit the collective as a whole and helps our planet heal, including Mother Earth herself. The energy during this age can feel very fast, giving us the ability to be able to manifest and create at a much faster level. We can feed from this creative energy and obtain a fluid mindset. Living in the Age of Aquarius means we can be innovative and creative problem solvers. We are now able to follow our intuition versus following orders from a power structure. We now have the freedom, ability, and curiosity to question the beliefs and old ways we were taught and instilled in us while growing up. Do not be afraid to challenge the old school beliefs. Things are not meant to be black and white. Not anymore. The Age of Aquarius will challenge us at every corner, as we are the generation who is currently shifting from 3D into 5D. We are the blessed ones ushering in the new age. This means we are being asked to expand our minds and share our old ways of thinking. The Age of Aquarius is forward-thinking, optimistic, expansive, solution-driven, innovative, creative, fluid, and here to raise the collective consciousness. Know this, the age of suffering is over. We, as a collective, can now let go of that chokehold set of beliefs that were instilled in us from the previous Age of Pisces, which was very much about controlling the collective and keeping us in fear of the wrath from a higher being. We no longer have to feel guilt, fear, and unworthiness from old structures. We must learn to distill information presented to us and learn to identify what keeps us in low vibration. The Age of Aquarius is fast-moving energy and encourages the participation of each one of us in order to make this world better. It takes practice, patience, and discipline in order to live in a 5D state of mind. There are various practices and ways in which we can stay in 5D consciousness. One easy way to begin practicing 5D state of mind is catching ourselves when we engage in low vibrational activities. The following are some examples. Engaging in hateful conversations about ourselves or others. Intentionally hurting ourselves or others. This applies to physical and emotional. And constantly complaining or arguing about people or situations in our life. This is a good way to begin moving into 5D consciousness by just simply being aware of our thoughts, words, and behaviors. The next step from here is to slowly begin to moderate or to immediately stop engaging and remove yourself from that low vibration. Remember, you and I have been blessed with an amazing task. We are the children of the dawn of Aquarius. I hope you enjoyed today's episode here at the Cosmic Juniper. To receive future notifications on new episodes, don't forget to follow, like, and comment. And remember, you are a beautiful being of light, having a human experience. Be gentle with yourself and keep hydrated. Until next time, seekers and dreamers.